We would like to welcome Lone Wolf.
Hello, everybody. I am getting ready for a match against Mr. Clown, that old son of a gun. I don't want to see the other one because YouTube will sue us, I guess. Just to say, sexy CJ, I'm coming for you, and guess what? It's already a skip. This match, me versus Mr. Clown, is a match for the #1 contendership for the lightweight champion against you, sexy CJ.
I thought Mr. Clown was injured.
It's Clown, that old son of a gun again. And then whoever wins this match advances at Christmas Mania against you, sexy CJ. And guess what? It's scheduled to be an unmasked match. So someone is gonna see faces. See you in the ring, Mr. Clown.